Hey friends, what's up? Hope you're feeling fantastic. Welcome back to my kitchen, where we're about to whip up a granola recipe that's not only delicious, but also fantastique. Think, all the energy and multivitamins you could ask for. The best part? This recipe is totally customizable. You can use whatever you've got hanging out in your pantry. Let's get started. And remember, the portions are totally up to you. Get creative. First up, our base. I'm using rolled oats. I love to combine everything in one pan for a little roasting session. Just a light toast to bring out all the yummy flavors. Now for the good stuff. I'm adding pumpkin seeds for some crunch, flax seeds for those omega-3, and a handful of walnuts because, well, why not? And a sprinkle of sunflower seeds for extra goodness. If you already have roasted nuts, feel free to skip the roasting step altogether. All right, I've got some roasted almonds, cashews, and pecans ready to go. So I'm just going to mix these right in. And don't forget sesame seeds and chia seeds for a little extra oomph. Like I said, raid that pantry. Use what you've got. Remember to keep the heat low while you mix everything. Now, I like my granola in smaller pieces. So I'm going to give it a little chop. But if you prefer bigger chunks, feel free to skip this step. Don't forget a tiny pinch of salt. It really brings out the sweetness and nuttiness. Okay, time to get sticky. This is what's going to hold our granola together. I'm using 30 grams of homemade peanut butter, 30 grams of homemade pistachio butter, which I made in a previous video. Let me know in the comments if you want me to share that recipe again. And 30 grams of organic honey. We're going to gently heat the honey and butter so they mix together nicely. I prefer to use my hands for this part, so I can really feel the texture. Seems like I need a little more honey to get everything to stick together. That's better. The grains should be nice and coated, clumping together slightly. I'm using a mold to make perfect little granola triangles, because, well, why not? But you can use any shape you like. Or just use your hands to make balls. speaking of options, you can also just keep the mix loose like this. Store it in a tightly closed container, and you can sprinkle it on your Greek yogurt. Or, as I mentioned before, balls are super easy to make too. After just 1 hour in the fridge, check out these beautiful, healthier than ever bars. These are my go-to pre-workout snack. So there you have it, my super simple, totally customizable, fantastic granola recipe. Let me know in the comments if you try it out. Love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes.